So rather belatedly, we're getting the information that the former Reggae Boyz coach Heimir Hallgrimsson was being paid 75 million Jamaican dollars a year. That is just over 6 million Jamaican dollars a month to coach a national team. And before we get excited, the nurses and the teachers and the policemen comparison that don't work because the coach was not being paid by taxpayers' money. In fact, that 6 million a month was a bargain for a coach with Hallgrimsson's resume. So the real question should be, what he did with the national team, was it $6 million worth of value? Did the team get better results and played better football than when Papa Whitmore was in charge for 1 million Jamaican dollars a month? Was Hallgrimsson worth 6 times what Papa Whitmore was getting? Is Hallgrimsson 6 times a better coach than Papa Whitmore? Definitely not. And that is why when Hallgrimsson got fed up and resigned, the JFF was like, give me the resignation. Give me it quick and fast. Give me it before you change your mind. Give me the resignation before you. Give me the resignation. No.